Welcome to another Universal Yums video. We're gonna open our Yum box.
So we got a subscription.
It has a white tiger on it.
Well, don't poke me in the eyeball. Oh, you know what this says? Czech Republic. Czech Republic. So Czech Republic used to be Czechoslovakia, and I learned all about Czechoslovakia.
The zoo in the country is the only place that has white tigers.
White tigers.
I want to go there.
Canada has white tiger.
It's right next
That's a band, white tiger.
It's right next to Germany.
Don't forget me when I'm gone. Ooh, my heart would break.
It says Germany,
You can
Australia.
catch my YouTube. Listen to me sing.
No.
All right. So let's find out what Czechoslovakia is. Lower the globe.
Okay, so it's near Germany and Australia.
Who told you that?
It's near Germany because it says Germany right here, right next to it. It's near Germany.
I don't have my seeing glasses on. All right, so I know where Czechoslovakia is at.
Do you know where Germany?
Oh, my assistant. Look there, I can see. Yeah. All right.
I found Germany. Yeah, I see it.
So there's Germany.
I see it.
And then, how old is this?
It's antique. That gold antique.
I don't need an antique. This has got the Soviet Union on it, Jody. Don't we have a modern globe?
Wow, Gigi.
Yeah, we do.
It's out in the garage.
It is.
So
here, give it to me. I can find.
So right north of Hungary is the Czech Republic. So Jody and I did a bicycle trip through Austria, Germany, Austria.
They went to all 50 states of the United States.
Yeah, we've been to all 50 states. And so, yeah, just north of Hungary. So that's on our list of places that we want to visit.
No.
Yes, I didn't know we had a 1930. Do we even have 50 states on here, or is Hawaii still not a state? This is so old that it's rusty.
Hawaii is an island.
Hawaiian Islands. Okay, so Czech Republic. So what do we got? Want to look at the
garlic flavored potato.
I look it up here.
I hate garlic. I hate onions.
Garlic flavored potato chips.
I'm not that big of a fan of garlic, but I still eat garlic on these things called whatever you call it. I don't remember.
These particular potato chips are made from potatoes.
Here, garlic potato chips. Hold on, say the chess people. These aren't chips, they're crisps.
I think these would be good.
I will taste one.
Most potato chips are good.
You have to give it to the off-brand person who's not here.
Off camera. A little bit like
It tastes like it doesn't.
You taste the garlic. It's like,
I taste it. This does not taste good.
So I could sit and eat this whole.
I like them.
I could eat the whole pack. We'll snack on those later. And those are the off-camera helper. What do we got next here, helper?
Ew, why did they always send that?
It's got stickers on it.
No, but look.
All right, let's look at this, Adrienne. How do you pronounce this, helper?
Wait.
Preckle?
Preckle?
Preckle? Preckle?
Preckle? Preckle?
Preckle. Tomato and herb flat pretzels. I'm not eating those.
Oh, pretzels?
What? Pretzels?
Yeah. I don't like tomatoes and I do not like pretzels.
Oven baked.
Yeah, there's not
Not.
tomatoes on it.
I know, but it's
So made in the
it's
Czech
tomato
Republic.
flavored. I'm a
So I was saying everything I know about the
Yeah,
Czech
that's
Republic I
because
learned from Steve Martin and Dan Aykroyd from
It's
Saturday Night
better.
Live. Two wild and crazy guys.
And I don't even like pretzels.
You don't like pretzels?
No, I'm not even trying. I'll take one. Tiny.
These are fine. Be a good snack, like for driving down the highway on a road trip.
It tastes like chili. My mom's chili.
I thought you hate your mom's chili.
I said I don't hate it. I said I don't like it.
Somewhere in the middle. And
These aren't bad.
Oh my god, I'm so trying this.
those aren't bad.
Here we go. These are apple and cinnamon soft candies. In the last 10 years, the company Mocha moderated produced, processed, and ramped up licorice and jelly products, leading to the creation of the Yes Sticks you're seeing.
Yes, sticks. So it's a licorice that's apple cinnamon flavor. So these, I got a feeling.
I'm gonna like this. I didn't like the other two, but I'm gonna.
The other two are,
Every time we open this,
so this
it's a
more,
real
this is
surprise.
candy. You want a whole piece?
Yes.
Does the off-camera helper want?
It tastes like apple cider. Gigi.
Does it?
Yeah, like honey apple cider.
So it's licorice, apple, basically apple cinnamon flavored licorice. So it's good.
Oh, it's licorice?
It tastes like apple cider.
Okay.
Only 100 calories.
Well, I need one.
So when Jody and I travel out of country, we like going to the candy stores and seeing what there is for candy and different things. And we buy it for Caitlin and we eat it on the way home.
Caitlin.
Or Adrienne.
That's because they're mean and they don't save any candy for me.
It's not that mean, we just have an appetite for sugar.
Maybe just you buy your own sugar.
Okay, are you
This is cocoa coated with cream filling. I might like this.
so looks kinda like a nutty bar?
Wait, hold on. I'm gonna read this. Want us to taste the secret? This closely guarded family recipe for honey cake has been passed down since the 4th century. That's over 1,600 years ago.
Bring us a knife helper.
A knife?
Yeah.
Alright.
So this is, the texture is like a marshmallowy thing here. If I try pulling it apart, I think I'm going to crumble it up and make a mess.
Can I get a napkin too?
No, you can just clean it all up later.
I'm gonna love this, bro.
So
Here,
I think it's a marshmallowy.
I didn't like you.
I cut it.
Oh.
So there's no germs on it.
Should bring me a sharp knife too. So let's. So I'll cut these in little bite-sized pieces for. Let the
Hand person.
little bread type thing, chocolate. I'm not a chocolate fan, so
This is delicious. What is this?
so like a Hostess Ding Dong.
Cocoa coated with cream filling.
What's the name of it though?
Marletta
Malenta?
honey snack cake.
Is it like a Hostess Ding Dong?
Yeah, it's delicious.
Want to taste the secret? This closely guarded
rest of this
family
isn't
recipe for honey cake has been passed down since the 4th century. That's over 1,600 years ago. In 2003, recipe from Armenia to the Czech Republic and created Marlinka to share it far and wide, and now we can taste it today.
So apparently Hostess stole the family secret from the 4th century because it's
Next, we have comfort sugar cane. If you put these in root beer, it'll explode, and that's what. Oh,
How do you know?
Because I've seen those in science.
You think it's
Bill Nye,
Mentos?
the science guy.
Mentos that explodes root beer?
So this is raspberry candy. It's natural flavored.
Yeah,
I
I watched it. Bill Nye.
Product of Czech Republic. So
Hold on tight to your snacks. These raspberry flavored sugar candy tablets are the sickly space age. So they came around a lot earlier in the early 1900s. Julius Pollock retended with bizarre and invent methods. I want to try one.
definitely raspberry. It's like a sweet tart kind of.
If you ever have
Not as
these,
hard as a sweet tart, but
Rented a hotel room where he holed up and started inventing snacks with bizarre and inventive methods. He created compressed sugar candy.
compressed sugar candy. So it's basically
I'm putting this.
give
I'm putting this in my candy jar.
No, I need one.
give her one.
Okay.
Before you go.
Not the whole thing. Just a little bit.
Like a sweet tart.
Or Tom's.
Tums.
What's that?
What's Tom's?
I guess
These chewing tablets you take for an upset stomach.
it's kind of sad when you're that old that you compare flavor
Yeah, they're
of
like
stuff
sweet
to
tarts.
medication and Tums and cough medicines.
They're like
And,
sweet tarts.
yeah. So that was it out of this box. There's only 5 things. So is the Czech Republic cheap or
That seems like that's normal. Last box just had a lot.
so? 2
I'm so
bags of
hungry,
crunchy chip type thing. So there wasn't anything in there that made you gag like the fried egg potato chips that we had the one time that we ended up throwing away because nobody would try them. Not only would people not, it smelled like rotten, burning fried eggs.
We all 3 of us had to eat it since we were the people in the yum box.
I don't know if I tasted it or not, just smell it was enough for me. So, all right, that wraps up Czech Republic. So I want to go to the Czech Republic and check it out, and maybe that would be our next year's bicycle ride. I'm checking with my bicycling riding partner over there, and she just kind of
Shrug.
she wants to become an e-biker instead of a pedal biker. So
I have
all right.
a candy jar full with those candies.
anything you want to summarize how you like this? Hey, don't touch the sharp knife.
Alright. This and this and this. Ah!
So basically the candy.
All the candies are my favorite.
So all right, that wraps it up. See
The
you
other-
next episode of Universal Yums.
Bye.